Hi, my name is Eric J. Puralkins Intong. I report the linear regression. Linear regression is a statistic method of modeling and analyzing of relationship between dependent and independent variables. Here's the key components and the concept of linear regression. The dependent variables, independent variables, linear relationship, regression equation, the residuals, least square method, and the coefficient of determination. I have five question and five solution. The number one is you are a real estate agent and want to predict the selling price of houses based on their square footage. You collect the data on the house size, and their selling price. Using linear regression, estimate the selling price of a house with 2,000 square feet. So the solution is after performing linear regression on the data, you find the equation selling price is equal to 100 square footage plus 50,000, plugging in 2,000 square feet. Selling price is equal to 100 and times 2,000 plus 50,000 is equal to $250,000. Number two question. Um, Car dealerships want to predict the miles per hour per gallon the MPG a car will get based on its engine size. Give the regression equation that MPG can you expect from a car with a 2.5 liter engine. The number two solution, this is a solution of number two. Use the linear regression equation if it's determined that MPG equal to 25 times engine size in liters is 10, then for a 2.5 liter engine, MPG is equal to 25 times 2.5 minus 10 is equal to 62.5 MPG. So my number three question is a company wants to forecast monthly sales based on their advertising spending in dollars. The linear regression model shown that sales is equal to 2 advertising plus 500. How much should they want to achieve $2,000 in sales? The solution of number 3 is to reach $2,000 in sales. You can rearrange the equation. Advertising is equal to sale minus 500 divided by 2 is equal to 2,000 minus 500 divided by 2 is equal to $750. My number 4 question. A school principal wants to predict students test score based on the numbers of hour they study per week. The linear regression model is test scored is 5 and the study hours plus 60. How many hours should a student study to achieve a test score of 85? The solution is for a test score of 85, you can rearrange the equation study hours test score minus score 60 minus 60. So Divide 5. This is the answer. The 80 minus 60 divided by 5 is equal to 5 hours. This is my last question and solution. Number 5. A manufacturing company aims to predict the number of predictive products based on the temperature in their production facility in degrees Celsius. The linear regression equation is the effective product is equal to 0.1 and the temperature plus 10. What is the expected number of defective product of a temperature of 25 degrees Celsius? The solution of number 5 for a temperature of 25 degrees Celsius, you can use the linear regression equation defective products. 2.5 plus 10 is equal to 12.5 defective products. That's my report of linear regression. So this is the linear regression. This is the number of x, the week 5. To get the mean of 5 is to add this. So this is a 15. 15. And to get the mean of this is to divide 5. 15 divided by 5 is equal to 3. So the Rx is Rx is 3. And to get the mean of the cells in 1000, the Y is to add 1.2 plus 1.8 plus 2.6 plus 3.2 is equal to 8.8. The sum is 8.8. To get the mean is to divide 8.8 divided by 5. 8.8 divide 5 is equal to 1.76. So this is our mean of y, 1.76. And to get the x squared is to put squared here at the number of week. So 1 squared is equal to 1. 2 squared is equal to 4. 3 squared is equal to 9. 4 squared is equal to 16. 5 squared is equal to 25. Get the sum of this x squared is to add all of the numbers of x squared. 1 plus 4 plus 9 plus 16 plus 25 is equal to 55. To get the mean of x squared is to divide 5. 55 divide 5 is equal to 11. And to get the x and y, you add the x and y, the week and the sale in thousands. 1 plus 1.2 is equal to 2.2. 2 plus 1.8 plus 1.8 is equal to 3.8. 3 plus 2.6, 3 plus 2.6 is equal to 5.6. 4 plus 3.2, 4 plus 3.2 is equal to 7.2. Next is add the 5 and 3.8. 5 plus 3.8 is equal to 8.8. Next is to get the sum of x and y is to add all of the number of x and y. 2.2 plus 3.8 plus 5.6 plus 7.2 plus 8.8 is equal to 27.6. 27 3.8, 5.6, 7.2, 0.8 is equal to 27.6. To get the mean of x and y, to divide the sum of x and y to 5. 27.6 divided by 5 is equal to 5.52. So the mean of x squared is 11 and the mean of x and y is equal to 5.52. So let us consider it as an example of the 5-week sales of data in thousands in a table. Apply a linear regression techniques to predict the 7 or 12-week sales. This is a linear regression equation is given by y is equal to a0 plus a1 and x plus e. A0 is a intercept and a1 is a coefficient of independent variables. So this is a1. First of the a1, x and y minus x, y over x squared minus x over 2. X raised of 2. Our xy, our mean of xy is 5.52. 5.52 minus the mean of x is 3. This 3 The mean of y is 1.76 over x squared. The mean of x squared is 11 minus x 3 over r raised of 2. So let us solve. 2 5.52 minus 3 the x and 1.76 the y over 11 the x squared minus the x is 3 raised of 2 is equal to 0.12. So this is our mean of A1, 0.12. A1 is equal to 0.12. And to solve the A0 is y minus A1. Our A1 is 0.12 and x. Y, our y is 1.76 minus 0.12. One 0.76 minus 0.12 is equal to 1.64. So this is our mean of A0. A0 is equal to 1.64. The regression equation is y equal to A0 plus A1 and x. So let us solve. AY A0, this is a 1.64 plus our A1 0.12 times 7. 7 is to predict the 7 weeks of sales. So let us solve. 1.64 plus 0.12 times 7 is equal to 2.48. So let's solve the 12-week sales, or to predict the week sales of 12. 1.64 plus 0.12 times 12. So let us solve. So 12 weeks of sales is 3.08. So this is how to solve the independent variables.